Have you ever heard someone say, turn left, or go north? They're giving directions. And today, we're going to learn how to understand them using a special tool called a compass rose. A compass rose shows us the four main directions on a map: north, south, east, west. Here's an easy way to remember their order. Never eat soggy waffles. That's N-E-S-W, going around in a circle. Let's practice using them. If you're looking at a map, north is usually at the top. South is at the bottom. East is to the right. West is to the left. We use directions to help us get around. If you live in a town and the library is north of your house, you go north to get there. If the school is west of the grocery store, you go west to find it. We can also use directions on a big map of the world. Canada is in the northern part of the world. Brazil is south of Canada. China is to the east of Europe. The United States is south of Canada. Australia is far to the southeast. When we use directions, we can understand where things are, close to us and far away across the world.